Welcome back. Today we are just going to adjust the stepper driver chip pots here. So anyway, we left off like this with the lid on, everything. So what I do is I switched out the power wires, drilled a hole, put the barrel connector inside here. Don't know if that's going to work, but we'll find out. It's not shorting anything out. But if you are using two of the same color wire like I am, make sure that you actually have a way to identify it. Which, yeah, the lighting's pretty bad, but you can see there's like a blue mark there. Every inch or so, I mark the wire. So there's actually one right there, barely see it. There's another one up there, and they go all the way back. So that way I won't confuse which one's which. So anyway, what we're going to do is we are going to straighten out the USB cable. It's all twisted and kinked. We are going to plug that into my front panel on my custom desk here. Alright. Then power cord over here for this guy. I hope to God this thing doesn't explode and blow up, right? Okay. This thing, the power supply keeps wanting to drag the... There we go. Now, I'm going to open up our awesome little toolkit here. And we are going to take the, if I can read it, the 2.5, yeah, 2.5 screw bit. Set that back over here. So we're going to set this to DC. So we're going to set that on the negative terminal, which is the outside one. Positive is the inside. The outside terminal, and then we're going to touch it to one of the leads, and you see it's 159, 158, and this one should be perfect. And there we go. And that's, 0.6 is ideal, and flashing between the 599 and the 6 should be just fine. So how did we get to that point? I don't know if I can keep this thing from trying to be yanked off my desk. Did you ever wonder if alligator clips and stuff will last? Well, they do. These are 32 years old. I've been using them since college for electronics engineering. Boy, these things are really old, but they still work, so I don't care. So I'm just going to use the green one that I got here. We're going to throw the green one on the end of this little guy. Now the directions are actually fairly clear in the manual also, so you should be able to see the meter. So we're going to go up to this one, and we want to turn clockwise because we want to turn it down. And you can see it goes fairly quickly just with little nudges. I mean, you really can't tell how much I'm turning it, but it's not much. Too much. Slowly bring it back up. See, at this point you want to barely touch it. Wow, it really is finicky. Okay, let's see where that's at. Ah. . stop. And we'll go. We're almost there. It really is a sensitive beast here. Wow. I'm like either way up or way down. I just can't get it perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, just really, really close. That will work for me. Let me move on to this one. Turn it way down. Stop. Okay, well that one's not right. Go. All right, stop. It's so easy to just make those big adjustments. Give it a second. I think part of the problem is I'm not giving it a chance to even out. Okay, hold on. Huh, a little too much fluctuation going on there. That one's steady. That one's steady. That one needs just a touch down. Stop making those big movements, especially when you get really close. See, I'm not making these big movements at this point, and it just seems to jump all over the place. I wonder if there's a little resistance on my bit here or something that's causing a problem. Alright, let's try that. Nope, 614 is way off. I am barely moving, and I am not this patient. Especially when it's climbing up and it should be going down. Let's try this. unfortunately. I'm going to try to bring it down just a touch more. See if that did anything. There we go. We got 599, 6 and 601, and 6 even. So that should do it. So just so you can see, just like the directions were saying, that is the pot right there. Alright, there. And right there, that real tiny thing. And then again, I know the lighting's bad, but the outside of the case is the negative, the inside one is the positive. There we have it. It is now adjusted. Although I have no idea what my next steps are, because I'd really like to start building the case and mount the electronics and stuff. But again, I'm waiting on a couple of parts. Once I get those, I will do a couple more videos each step, so you don't have to watch through an entire video, to get to the one special spot that you might need help with. So hopefully this helped you. Bye.